Okay, so they have migrated from the grapes to the grapefruit tree to this orange tree that I was going to come over and pick oranges from today. So this is an educational opportunity right here. I am hoping that my swarm stops and doesn't continue to move further away. I'm hoping it stops in this tree right here. I'm seeing a lot of bees collecting on this tree. People, there is no reason to fear bees when they're swarming. They are not defensive at all. They are looking for a new home. Do not spray them with water. Do not spray them with pesticides. They are looking for a new home, and I am going to do my best to recapture them and give them a new home. I was planning on splitting this hive. They have decided to split it themselves, so they can't decide which tree they want to go into. I'm gonna go over to my house and grab a box and set it up over here. Hopefully they end up here and I'm able to capture them from here. It's hard to tell where she's at. They're looking for a new home, so I am going to give them a new home. Again, never spray bees with water when they're swarming. Don't spray them with chemicals. These bees are completely harmless right now. I'm not saying there's zero chance of you getting stung, but it is super minimal. There are hundreds of bees landing on this tree right now. I hope they form a ball soon.
This one or maybe that one?
They haven't decided yet. They just keep on moving.
Oh.
They started over there.
Oh, from
They
you.
moved to the grapevine, then they moved to the grapefruit tree. Now they've moved to this tree, and now they look like they're over here. So wherever the queen is where they're gonna keep following. It looks like they're leaving this bush and going to that one. So I'm gonna go get a box and set it up, and hopefully they move into the box, or I will capture them and move them into a box. I gotta keep watching where they go. I do not want to lose half my colony to a swarm on a day where I was supposed to be inspecting 4 new hives. All right, that's it for now. Ryder out.